Welcome to Red's Kitchen. Today we're making chicken escarole soup. Here's the list of ingredients. For this recipe, it calls for 4 skinless, boneless chicken thighs, 4 carrots, a lovely chunk of good Parmesan cheese, a head of escarole, 3 to 4 stalks of celery, a little bit of butter, 1 onion, and Colavita extra virgin olive oil, garlic powder, salt, and pepper, a few bay leaves, and any kind of small pasta that you have on hand. Today I'm using alphabet. You could use pastini, you could use ditalini, any small pasta will do, and 10 cups of chicken broth. For my utensils, I have a cheese grater, which I'm going to grate the Parmesan with, a good sharp knife, a nice ladle, a fork, a big spoon, and a slotted spoon. Begin to season the chicken. Salt and pepper on both sides. And a little bit of garlic powder. So I've got a little bit of extra virgin olive oil in this nice Dutch oven here, and I'm going to place the chickens right in. Give them a little bit of a turn, otherwise they'll stick. All right, so you're going to cook them for 4 minutes on each side at medium-high. So I'll set the timer. While that's cooking, we're going to chop up our vegetables. Stir this around. It is sticking a little bit. That's all right. We're going to deglaze it with that chicken stock. Another couple of minutes to cook, and then it'll finish in the stock. In this pan, I've got a couple of knots of butter and a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to turn it on to medium-high. And we'll just cook them down a little bit before we add them to the soup. Do it nice and slow, because boy, does that sting burn your face if you do it fast. Cooking's fun though, isn't it? This is 10 cups of chicken broth once again. Turn that heat up a little bit higher. I want it to get to a boil almost, and then turn it down to simmer, and all the other stuff goes in. All right, so that pan's good. Got some carrots down in there. Some lovely celery. And this lovely white onion. You want to get whole bay leaves. Don't put the cracked ones in because you won't be able to find them later, and you do need to remove them. 3. Some pepper. Some salt. My favorite. All right, see how the stock is just dancing just a smidge? We don't want to roll and boil, that's for sure. You do that, you'll get dry chicken. You just want to see the water dance almost a little bit. Now you know it's time to turn it down to a simmer. You keep it there. I'm now shredding the cheese. What we're going to do now is we're going to take this mirepoix mixture and add it to the soup. See how it's been rendered down? It's looking lovely. We're just going to add it in. As the soup cooks, the chicken will break up into pieces, and if they don't, you can help it along with your spoon. And it might seem a lot, but it's going to wilt down when you get it in here. It's kind of like spinach, you know, it just wilts down. Take the back of your spoon here and you just push it in. That's great. You can get broken up later on too, along with that chicken. And in it goes. It's good. Okay. Now we're just going to cook that up nice and slow. We're going to give it a quick stir. It's looking great. And we're going to cook it for about 20-25 minutes. All right, it's been about 20-25 minutes, and oh, doesn't that look lovely? And you'll notice I fished out the 3 bay leaves. And now we'll just plate it up. Doesn't that look great? All right. And last but not least, some lovely Parmesan cheese, just right over the top. All right, I'm gonna taste it. It's hot. All right, I'm gonna taste it. That's good. I know that carrot's gonna burn my mouth, but I'm still gonna eat it. Mmm. That's how it's done. Yes. Woo! That's it. Looking for matcha? Taste the tea that inspired a ceremony. Matcha Source offers matcha powdered green tea for tea, lattes, smoothies, and bacon. Expect the best quality teas and excellent customer service at www.matchasource.com. Use code MATCHABLE for $3 off your first order.